First, plug the machine into the power supply, and then turn on the touch screen switch. Waiting for boot. Click Preheat to preheat. The machine will automatically ignite and preheat. Wait for the machine to preheat until the two lines are stable. It takes 20–30 minutes to preheat. After preheating is complete, click Stop. This video is a demonstration operation tutorial with a short preheat time. Our demonstration is to wait for the temperature to drop to 150–180 and put the beans into the hopper. We can weigh the beans while they are preheating. Put the beans into the loading hopper. Click Ignition. Wait until the temperature reaches 180°C. When the temperature is high enough, click Beans in. Adjust the operation method according to your own coffee bean needs. The machine will automatically record the roasting curve. During roasting, use a sample spoon to observe the beans. When the beans turn yellow, click Turn on the screen. When you hear the beans first crack, click Crack on the screen. After the beans are roasted, click Cooling and Stirring first. Click Beans out to let the beans come out. Then turn off the fire. After cooling, take out the beans.